Good morning, students. This video is for class 7 and 8. Today we are going to do pronoun as a part of your English language assignment, which will be submitted to you on dated 12th April 2021. Students, now let us start with pronouns. As we have done this topic in our previous classes, so all of you must be knowing that pronouns are the words those are used in place of nouns. The noun which a pronoun stands for is called its antecedent. For example, Monica is a brilliant girl. She is the favorite of all the teachers. In the above sentence, she is pronoun that stands for the noun Monica. So, the noun Monica is the antecedent of the pronoun she. Now, let us revise the kinds of pronoun. Number 1, personal pronouns. Students, pronouns that stand for persons or things. So, there are 3 persons. First person, second person, and third person. So, first person is the person speaking. For example, I, me, we, and us. And the second person is the person spoken to. You and yours. Third person is the person spoken about. He, she, it, they, him, her, them. So students, personal pronoun. After personal pronoun, number 2 is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are that which are used to ask questions. For example, who brought these flowers? What do you need? In these sentences, who and what are interrogative pronouns as they are used to ask question. After interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Number 3, demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns that are used to point out the objects or object. They refer to point out the objects or objects. For example, this is a large house. Those are the certificates for the participants. So in these sentences, this and those, this and those are used to point out the things, house and participants. So this and those are demonstrative pronouns in these sentences. So demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these and those. Now, number 4, reflexive pronoun. Pronouns like myself, yourself, herself, when used as the receiver of an action, are called reflexive pronouns. For example, how did you hurt yourself? They blamed themselves. Here you can see that yourselves and themselves, they are taken as the receiver of the action. So yourselves and themselves are reflexive pronouns here. Then number 5, emphatic pronouns. Students, pronouns that are used to convey emphasis are called emphatic pronouns. As you can see that both reflexive and emphatic pronouns have the same form, that is myself, himself, yourself, herself, etc. But they used as reflexive pronouns when it is used to take action, receiver of action, and the emphatic pronouns when it is used to convey emphasis is called emphatic pronouns. So here you can see in example, I myself locked the door. So it conveys stress or emphasis on myself. So myself is used as emphatic pronoun. Here in the second sentence, he himself signed the letter. So here you can see that it pays emphasis on himself. Like here myself, here himself. He himself, I myself. So myself and himself is used as emphatic pronouns in these sentences. So after reflexive and emphatic pronouns, number 6 is distributive pronoun. Pronouns that refer to persons or things one at a time are called distributive pronouns. For example, each of these men is eligible for this post. Each. And next sentence, either of the two bags could be yours. So here you can see each and either are used as distributive pronouns in these sentences. So now number 7, indefinite pronouns. Pronouns that stand for some noun, understood or implied. They are used to talk about people or things in general. They do not refer to specific things. For example, all are satisfied. Many were invited, but few came. Here, all and many are used as indefinite pronouns. Number 8, possessive pronouns. Pronouns that show possession or ownership. They tell us who or what something belongs to. The possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. For example, these gloves are mine. That book is yours. So the words mine and yours are used as possessive pronouns. So now number 9, relative pronouns. Pronouns that relate a noun to a group of words that follow. They also help us join two sentences. The relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, that, and which. For example, we admire the man who does his duty sincerely. So here you can see that the word who is used as relative pronouns. Number 2, the medicines which the doctor had suggested proved effective. Which, so here you can see which is used as relative pronoun. Students, you should know how we use relative pronouns who, whose, whom. Who, whose, whom is used for persons only, and which is used for things without life and for animals, and that is used for both persons and things. Students, in the end, you will see that omission of relative pronoun, omission that when there is no need to use relative pronouns. So, we can often leave out the relative pronouns when it is in the objective case. In such cases, we change the position of the preposition in the sentence. For example, this is the pen with which I wrote the letter. So here you can see that which is used as relative pronoun, and in the next sentence we will see that how we can omit or how we can delete relative pronouns by changing the direction of preposition with. This is the pen I wrote the letter with. So students, we have done with pronouns, and I hope that now after revising the content, you will be able to do your book exercises easily. Thank you and have a nice day.